Dodge Ram trucks and them cowgirl butts, they go hand in hand and they make my motor run. If it's a 318, 360 Hemi or a Cummins diesel, that's the pickup truck for me. Mickey T's humming on half-bald treads, rolling town to town and turning all them heads. Even if the dash is cracked or the window's off the track, send it through the mud and that's a matter of fact. We'll pet it down how it goes, see how this puppy roll. Sink this truck, I'm running till the motor blow. Got a winch in the front.